I've grown 6 channels to over 1,000 subscribers, and I've learned along the way that there are definitely some strategies in growing YouTube channels better than others. Hey, I'm just an average guy trying to make $100,000 online only using things like Amazon and YouTube, and I'm posting about it every day until I do. And yesterday on Amazon and my 3 monetized YouTube channels, I made just over $63. And like I said, I also have 3 other YouTube channels that are over 1,000 subscribers that aren't monetized yet, but they do have over 1,000 subscribers. And I've gotten to this status of having over 1,000 subscribers for these 6 channels in different ways. And I've learned that different strategies are also effective in different ways as well. So for my very first channel that I got monetized, it now has over 20,000 subscribers. And it's probably the one channel that I would say probably got over 1,000 subscribers the best and easiest way. And the way that it got over 1,000 subscribers was simply by picking a really good niche that people really want to watch and posting consistently to that niche. I would say that early on in the YouTube, in its life, in its channel's life, I wasn't spending a whole lot of time per video on it. All the videos were very, very easy to make, and I was able to spit out sometimes even several videos a day because they were so easy to make. I didn't have to edit them too much at all. I was able to post consistently to that channel. Now, that being said, I did pivot that channel, and I didn't really want to continue posting the same content to it that I was doing it. Some people consider it to be sensationalized, to trying to get views and that kind of thing. That really wasn't my goal. Ultimately, so I wanted to pivot the channel. That being said, if you find a good niche that people want to watch and you're able to post consistently to it, that is probably the best way to grow your channel quickly to get over 1,000 subscribers. Now, my second channel that I got over 1,000 subscribers, that was actually my wife's channel. She calls it mine because I do all the editing. I tell her when to post, when to record, all that kind of thing. And her channel, it's called Nurse Abby, and it's very similar to the first channel that I got monetized, in that I was even able to give her a boost by sharing her content on the first channel, and a lot of the same kind of people were interested in watching because it was related to my family and our family story and all that kind of thing. And I kind of regret sharing the channel via the first channel, sharing her channel via the first channel, because she also was able to find her own people through that channel. Just because YouTube is able to very easily find an audience for your videos, rather than you trying to find your own audience, YouTube actually can find your audience for you, simply because when you pick a niche, like she has a niche on her channel, it's medical related things. She showed at first how she became a nurse, going through nursing school and all that kind of thing. And then now that she is a nurse, she posts videos once in a while when I tell her to about her expertise as a nurse and the things that she's learning even now as a nurse. That being said, even if I had not given her a boost at first, eventually YouTube would have figured out, because it has, what her video is about, and the kind of audience that would enjoy her videos. So even if I didn't boost them at first, she would have eventually gotten her over 1,000 subscribers very easily, because she was putting out valuable content. Once again, going back to that idea of put out good videos that people want to watch, and eventually people will find them and watch them. And once again, if you can do that consistently, then you'll grow a lot faster. The third channel that I got monetized, actually over 1,000 subscribers, and it did eventually get monetized, was reviewing literally everything. And this channel is about products that I review. And my strategy there is a little bit different than the first ones, simply because, yes, it's valuable content in that I post review videos of products, but I didn't think it would ever get monetized just because I'm posting such random reviews. There's not really one niche. Like I post electronics and clothes and house goods and all kinds of things. And the thing that tied them all together was simply me reviewing the products, and which is fine for most review channels, because say Marquez Brownlee, for example, he posts, it's him reviewing all kinds of products, but they're all kind of within the electronics or technology field. Whereas this one was all over the place. But I think there's 2 reasons why I was able to get over 1,000 subscribers. One, some people actually did like the randomness to it. In fact, I post community tab questions from time to time, and they say, yeah, they like the randomness. Now, that being said, they don't watch all the videos, so it doesn't accrue watch time very easily in that regard. But two, it was able to get monetized simply because I was posting to that channel sometimes 6 videos a day. So once again, going back to this idea, if you can post a lot, then you can grow your channel. Maybe the people won't want to watch every single video that you put out, but if you're posting a lot of those videos, then they'll watch enough of them, or some people will look through your videos and say, yeah, I like enough of this channel's videos that I want to subscribe to it. So that's the first 3 channels that I got over 1,000 subscribers, and those are the first 3 channels that I also got monetized. Right now, the only 3 channels that I have monetized. I also have another channel that's got over 1,000 subscribers. That's my church's channel, and it mostly got over 1,000 subscribers because, once again, I post consistently to it. Every week is posted a sermon video, and then I also started posting shorts to that channel, and shorts always gain subscribers a lot faster than long form videos. Especially if they can be entertaining and you can get some good views on it. The next channel that I have over 1,000 subscribers is actually very similar to the very first channel that I ever made. And actually, now that I think about it, it's been around longer. I just didn't post to it very much, but it's called Small Town Family. And it is my family's channel, whereas Hope and Sunshine, which is also kind of my family's channel, is more focused on just one of my daughters and her health complications and things and how we take care of her. Small Town Family is more just our very casual family channel, and I didn't even really try to grow it. Once in a while I do share a video that I post on that channel to from Hope and Sunshine so that it can get a little more views, but it's still not monetized simply because while it is focused on our family and it does have a niche in that regard, it's not like it's offering too much value. It's more just like home videos that we put out there for people who are interested. So that's why it's not monetized. It's just not offering a lot of value. The last channel that I have that's over 1,000 subscribers is, I gotta think about this for a second. I can't recall. Well, church, Small Town Family. I'm having a brain malfunction. So I can only think of 5 right now. I know I have a 6th one that has over 1,000 subscribers, but I can't recall what it is. So I just had a duh moment because the 6th channel that I have over 1,000 subscribers is this one, Average Guy Making Money. It's not monetized yet, but we're working on it. All right, back to the video. If you don't have clarity of the kind of content you're posting and the frequency with which you post to it, then you're probably not going to get over 1,000 subscribers. When it comes down to it, I think the strategy that I've seen to be most effective, once again, is simply having a really good niche in which you could offer value to people and then being able to post to that channel consistently. Now, I almost use the word frequently, and I think that can be a strategy, but if you're able to post even just once or twice a week, and it's a good video that people want to watch and you're offering real value to your audience, that's going to be enough. Ultimately, the main thing is just make sure you know your audience and know what they want, and give them what they want. That's what it comes down to. Hey, I'm not an expert in these things. I still have a long way to go. I still have a lot to learn, but I have monetized 3 channels. I have 3 more channels, I think, that have over 1,000 subscribers. And if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.